Hello, today we will be taking a look at two ways to integrate the operator into Blender's menu. The operator we were using in the last video, it has to be used by pressing F3 key to bring up the searching dialog box to use it. Personally, I like this way to use the operator. In fact, the three-letter prefix VSE was intentionally chosen to make it easier to use, because typing VSE including F3 can be done quickly with only the left hand. I think the menu is even convenient, but this way is also good. Anyway, after posting the previous video, two people gave me comments on integrating the operator into Blender's menu. So today we will be going to cover how to do that. And about the coding, originally today's topic will be treated at a later time. The first way to integrate the operator is by using an add-on. Here, changing path to integrate the operator into the menu. As we can see, the changes are not many. The BR input block was added and the menu drawing function was also added. For using it, it is quite simple. Download the file from the link in the description section and then just install it. Sorry for my miss, it's the right file. And activate it. It exposes import strip at the bottom of the add menu in the sequence window. Then we can just click it simply. However, this way has a small problem. By default, we can add custom menu items only to the bottom or top of the default menu. This position is not bad, but I think another position is much better, but it is not able to insert it between the default menus. According to the official document, for now, this is a limitation of Blender. Of course, there may be other ways in Python, but now, at least, not officially supported by the current Blender to the default menu. But Tin gave me an idea. To summarize his idea, as the custom operator into sequencer.py and changes the menu configuration in space sequencer.py. Let's do it right away. But before starting, look at the way it will be a bit complicated. Please watch carefully. First, there are some lines that need to be changed. According to the coding style of sequencer.py, I changed the class name and changed the last part of the code. I think it is important to maintain the original coding style when we change the code from someone else. Download the operator file from the link in the description section, then copy it to the path, scripts, startup, BR operators. The actual path may differ from your environment, but the last three directories have to be identical to this. While Tin told me we need to edit sequencer.py, but I will edit init.py to preserve the original source code as much as possible. Open it and insert the file name under the sequencer without the extension py and save it. This way, the operator is loaded into the memory when we start Blender. Next, edit the menu. Brings Blender in administrator mode. Ensure both Developers Extra and Python Tooltips is checked in the Preferences window. At this time, check once again that we don't have the import strip in the add menu. Change any window to the text editor, hover the mouse pointer over the add menu. Then we can see the class name. With memorizing the name, right-click the add and select the edit source. Then find the declaration part of the menu class we memorized. And add the menu item in the position we want to, because we decided to put it right after loading 3 types of strips, so this is the location. After saving this, launch again Blender or click Reload Scripts. Then we will see the import strips added where we want to. Wow, this way is a bit complicated. It is so difficult to explain this, especially for me with low English. What do you think about today's topic? Simple add-on or the exact menu location wherever you want? Which way do you favor it more? And lastly, I am making these videos to improve my English speaking. If there are any missed points in my today's English speaking, please let me know. Then see you next time. Bye.